In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple ramp. So let's get into it. So the ramp that I'm going to be building is 14 inches wide, 4 foot long, and about 2 inches high. So after getting all the pieces cut, I laid it all out. This is just a dry test. Nothing's been screwed in, but this is what it's gonna look like. It's plain, simple, it's supported, it's strong, and it's just gonna be outside anyway, so perfectly safe. So I'm gonna be using a 532 drill bit for the pilot holes and screw everything in with a 6 by 1 inch wood screws. And there you go. Simple ramp. It was so easy. I actually ended up making 2 little ones, which are perfect. Easy, it only took me half an hour to make. So, simple ramp.